this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn video files into audio files on your Android phone. Just go to the Google Play Store right here. And the first thing we want to get is some sort of like video to audio converter. So let's go to video to audio InShot right here. Video to audio InShot. Okay, just type that in. And then we got video to MP3. Get this one by InShot Inc. Contains ads. That's annoying, but this one works. Accept any kind of permissions that pop up on the screen. Go to allow all. And you can see I have one audio file in here already. And here's an ad. So just go to the next with this ad. It's usually TikTok for some reason. So let's go back. This is the main screen. Just tap video to audio. Go to your audio file, wherever it may be. This one. You got the different formats. You might want MP3. Go to convert. It's converting and it's saved. You can try playing it now. Okay. Now we can find it under files. So we can go to files. My files, files. Go to recent files. And you can rename it whatever you want. Just under here. So you should be able to just tap on it, go to rename or something like that. And then once you rename it, I don't see an option to rename it under here for some reason. But we can just open this up. And you have to choose what you want to open up with. You might have to download a player like MX Player through the Google Play Store or VCL if you don't have an option to play it. So I'm just going to use this once. Then you should be able to listen to it. So I wonder if we have to accept any kind of permissions, and then we should be good to go. But very easy to do. Let's go back. And we should be able to play it now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.